Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download and install the custom skins in the League of Legends game. So guys, this is very simple and easy process. You just need to open up your end browser and just click on the link I give you in the description box and you will go to this website. And once you come to this website, you just need to scroll down and you will find the assets. And in the assets, you will find this CS LOL Manager Windows.exe, the second one. Just click on that and just download this into your PC, and once it was start downloading, I can just cancel it because in my PC it was already downloaded. And guys, then you have to come to this website, which is the rune4.io, and then here you can simply type the League of Legends and then custom skins. This website link I also give you in the description box so you can easily come to this website. And once you search for this, you will find the skins option on the second. Just click on the skins. And guys, here you will find the many skins and you just need to just look for the skins that you mostly like. So I can just scroll down and just select the any random skin. And here guys, if I just want to download this one skin, I just click on the skin and then it will open up in the new page. And here you just need to scroll down and you will find the download this skin option. Just click on the download option and then it will go to the new page. Here click on the download option you are seeing here, and once it was start downloading, you have to just simply drag and drop into your desktop. So guys, once you drag and drop it, now you have to open up this manager and just extract it into your desktop. Here you just need to click on the extract option and this will extract the folder onto your desktop. And guys, once it was extracted, just open up the folder that created onto your desktop. And here you will find the CS LOL Manager and this black icon. So you have to just open up this and you will find the select League of Legends.exe. So guys, basically you have to just select the League of Legends. Just click on this browse option and here just click on the Riot Games you are seeing on the top and just open up the League of Legends folder and go to the game folder, and here you will find the League of Legends.exe. So in my PC, in my game, there is no League of Legends.exe file. So you have to just select it and just simply click on the open. So guys, once you open it, now the League of Legends will open and then you have to just select the skins you downloaded. Just select the skin, you can also drag and drop it, and just once you select it, just click on the open option you are seeing here. And guys, once you open up the skins, then you have to just simply select the skins, then click on the run option. Then the League of Legends will run and your skins will also load up and you are able to play with the skins you downloaded. And guys, this is how you can download the custom skins in the League of Legends. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video.